Hey everyone, I'm Deepika and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to style a kurti in 5 different ways. So firstly, I'm going to be showing you how the kurti would normally be styled, and then I'm going to create a completely different look with the same kurti. So I really hope you guys like this video, and without further ado, let's get into it.
So for my first look, I'm working with this long yellow kurti, and normally I would just style this with a pair of white palazzos and some simple white flats. So for look number 1, I have gone ahead and gotten rid of the pants because why wear pants when you can wear no pants, you guys? So basically I'm just wearing it like a maxi dress. And I've paired this with a pair of black sneakers and also added a cute denim jacket to it to give it a very interesting and layered street style look. For accessories, I've added a simple black choker and a couple of bracelets, and that's the complete look. For my second look, I'm working with this simple orange kurti, and I'm sure every one of you must be having something similar in their closet. I've just paired this with a pair of black jeans and some golden slip-ons. So for look number 2, I need you to grab both sides of the slit and tie it into a knot. Tuck the extra fabric on the front and the back inside, and voila! You have a new crop top. I've paired this with a pair of colorful jutis, and this is the complete look. So for my third look, I'm working with this simple sleeveless kurti. Again, nothing special here. I'm sure you have something similar in your closet. So for look number 3, just grab a pair of loose pants or a skirt and tuck the kurti into the pants. I've also gone ahead and tucked the collars on this kurti inward because I just like how it looks this way better. And you could do this with all your collared kurtis to just change up the neckline. So this is the complete look, and as you can see, the kurti can be worn as a top as well. So for look number 4, I am using this navy blue kurti, and I would normally wear this with the same white palazzos from the first look and just add a chunni to it. So for look number 4, I have again gone ahead and gotten rid of the palazzos, and because this has high slits on the sides, so I've added a pair of denim shorts underneath it. I've paired this with black boots and added the same denim jacket over it to complete the look. For accessories, I've added this chunky coin necklace, and this completes the look. So for the last and the final look, I'm working with this traditional green kurti with some mirror work. So for look number 5, I have paired this kurti with some ripped blue jeans and slipped into a pair of black boots. To complete the look, I'm going to be taking this blue dupatta and cinching it at the waist with a belt to give it a jacket slash shrug slash kimono sort of look. I don't know. I just really like layering stuff, if you guys haven't already caught on to that. Also added these silver jhumkis and a cute little bindi to complete this Indo-Western look.
So that's it for the video, and I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and and like this video, and also share this video with every possible person in the entire world. I'll see you guys next time, and bye bye.